Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Venice. If Venice is your final destination, we wish you a wonderful stay in this beautiful and historic city.
Hi guys, we made it to Venice. I'm a little tired. I'm a lot tired and jet lagged, but it's early. Well, not early. It's around 9 a.m. and we're about to take a boat to our first destination. And today is the cooking class. So here we go.
It's a gold stamp. It goes in your passport.
You wanted to get this stamp?
It's that, like minutes. Like it's a
Okay.
it's a special service. It's free.
Okay, so you will not I can try. They open at 10:30, but I don't know whether they are open. They should. Other
see.
days,
We'll try. We'll try. It is closed. It's closed. We can't do it. We'll go look.
So we are taking a water taxi. This is the water taxi.
Give me your bag. Throw your bag in the jet.
Give us a bag.
Throw your bag in.
Put
Where
your
we're
head down
going.
and go all the way in the back.
Che là c'è cambiamento, sbarchiamo a Luna Maglioni e questo per andare a Liato 22 marzo e lì poi non devono comprare niente e lanciano il servizio
So that was our airport. Luna Maglioni airport next to water. So the whole city is an old city. So notice how narrow the streets are because this is the original city from hundreds of years ago. So there's not room for cars or even horses because when they created it, they were just walkways and it's been preserved for years and years and years, centuries. So you're not going to see cars, people move around on transport with like carts or with bikes. So what's so special about Venice is the entire city is a old city, which also makes it an UNESCO World Heritage Site because everything is so well preserved. It's so beautiful. I learned that from the Casa Nova from the last time we were here that took us around. So I feel like I have some. But as you walk around, you should think about, it really makes you feel like you're walking back into time. So as you walk through the city, imagine no cars, no horses, no modern transportation.
Yeah.
And this is exactly what it would feel like. You're walking on the same stones. Look, we're walking along the same streets, the same pathways. There's still many, many, many of the original buildings and stones. It's just such a special place in the world that still exists.
confusione, sarà perché ti amo, è un'emozione che cresce piano piano. Stringimi forte e stammi più vicino, se sai sto bene, sarà perché ti amo. Io canto al ritmo del dolce tuo respiro, è primavera, sarà perché ti amo. Cade una stella, ma dimmi dove siamo, che te ne frega, sarà perché ti amo. E vola, vola si sa, sempre più in alto si va. E vola, vola con me, il mondo è matto perché, e se l'amore non c'è, basta una sola canzone per far confusione fuori e dentro di te. E vola, vola si sa, sempre più in alto si va. E vola, vola con me, il mondo è matto perché, e se l'amore non c'è, basta una sola canzone per far confusione fuori e dentro di te. Ma dopo tutto, che cosa c'è di strano? È una canzone, sarà perché ti amo. Se cade il mondo, allora sai spostiamo. Se cade il mondo, sarà perché ti amo. Stringimi forte e stammi puva giù. È così bello che non mai sembra vero. Se il mondo è matto, che cosa c'è di strano? Ma tutto è matto, almeno noi ci amiamo. E vola, vola si sa, sempre più in alto si va. E vola, vola con me, il mondo è matto perché, se l'amore non c'è, basta una sola canzone per far confusione fuori e dentro di te. Sarà perché ti amo. E vola, vola con me e stammi pure cielo. E se l'amore non c'è, ma dimmi dove siamo, che confusione, sarà perché ti amo.
In Napoli, where love is king, when boy meets girl, here's what they say.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore. Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and you'll sing Vita Bella. Hearts will play tippy-tippy-tay, tippy-tippy-tay, like a gay tarantella. When the stars make you drool, just like a pasta fazool, that's amore. When you dance down the street with a cloud at your feet, you're in love. When you walk in a dream, but you know you're not dreaming, signore. Scusami, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore. That's amore. That's amore. Sing Vita Bella.
Thank you very much for coming again and welcome in my house. Ciao, cheers. Salute, salute, salute. To introduce this cooking class about the fresh pasta. Do you prefer to make fresh pasta with flour and eggs, or you want to make gnocchi with ricotta cheese and flour? Which is the best for you?